Both the Junior Davis Cup and the Billie Jean Junior team will be participating in Guatemala. They're flying out on the 25th and they'll be down there through March 5th. They'll come back to Jamaica. We're also going to be sending on the 14 and on the team, World Junior team, to Dominican Republic, and they'll leave Jamaica on March 4th and return a week later. So yes, it's very active. We're doing trials here today. It got off to a great start. We don't have any full results yet of who's actually on the teams. In the boys, in the Junior Davis Cup, we had one player getting an automatic spot. Same in the Billie Jean King, so we're playing like for 2 spots in both of those events. And in the 14s, only one girl was exempt. So all in all, tomorrow we should be wrapping up and we should have our full team slate of players that will be going away shortly.
Okay. When you talk about a regional competition like this, which nations should we be most fearful of in our Cotec region? I believe
it's a Cotec, yes. Well, you're always going to have your Trinidad and Tobago and some of the Latin American countries. Dominican Republic always have a good team, and all of the teams like St. Lucia
and Cuba, I see.
And Cuba, all of them will be participating in this event.